The tutorial is designed for students who are introduced to HTML, SEO, CSS, and overall web development. The first part of it demonstrates the basic boilerplate or the HTML structure with embed style sheet. This is for the students who are not much familiar with the tags. We write everything in between an opening tag of HTML till the closing tag of the same. While most of the tag have their closing tags is a good practice and vital for the design line. We have used minimal CSS with very basic concepts like padding, margin, font size, color, background, flexbox, height, width, etc. The meta description tag allows search engines to understand what the page is about as well as for the visitors who might or might not see its info on the search results. Title should be under 60 characters and the description should be under 160 usually. It tries to demonstrate the use of HTML4 tags, HTML5 tags, and how it can affect or potentially play a role in the overall SEO of a page. Elements which help in overall SEO of the page include content, meta description, title, heading tag like H1, H2, structure of the page, etc. are also covered in this. Though, good content on the page is always a must alongside it in order to get top ranking on any search engine. Article tag is HTML5 tag. It simplifies the page as lots of div tags were used to be added in order to style, format, or to write the page. But HTML5 changed this in efforts to make things a bit great. It can impact SEO to a certain degree. Tags like article, section, nav, aside, footer are HTML5 tags, while H1 to H6, div are traditional HTML4 tags. The design also demonstrates responsive design line as well. While CSS uses of flexbox is also on display. Using H1 and different heading tags is also considered a good practice and a potential SEO factor as well. The nav tag is used to give navigation to the website and anchor tag alongside it plays key role in the navigation and SEO of the page. This example demonstrates the use of an anchor tag and navigation of the page. Footer tag that contains information related to your website. The page initially had some horizontal scroll, which indicates the page was not responsive, so we fixed the issue and made it a modern responsive page. Hope you can learn a thing or two from this tutorial. Why don't you tell us what are your thoughts on the same, what is missing, what you want to learn, or what you think of it? Thanks for watching.